that just shows how much I look like shit. So now it just looks like how much I look like shit. Alright, what's up guys? So today we are on our way out to a place called WeCraft DIY. It's like a mechanic shop where you can rent a lift, and it has like fully stocked tools and everything else. We're in my friend Corey's Veloster, and he's wanting to get some underglows installed. I think he's got them in the back, but we're gonna get those put on today, and then tonight after I get off work, we're gonna get some rolling shots of his car with the underglow on, so it'll be pretty cool. I was gonna pop on that.
I was trying to fucking feed it too, and it wasn't working.
Yeah, there we go. Pop, pop, pop.
She doesn't like it when I work her out.
You should ask if you can pop it in here. Okay. Oh yeah. You got a decent amount of surface area along that to stick them.
Yeah, but the thing is I don't know where I want to stick it.
Along the front.
Grab the shredder and stick it where it needs to go.
Alright, so the wire has to go to the fuse box right here. So we have, there's a hole down there, I think you can see it. And we're gonna get the wires from the bottom, and they're all fed down there, and I'll go right here. yeah, so we got the back one up here, got the wire ran, and we also shrink wrapped all of the fittings, ran the wires all through here. And so yeah, now we're just gonna get out of here. Our time is up. We rented this bay for 2 hours, so now we're gonna go home, and then we'll figure out actually wiring it in and actually getting it turned on. So we tested it here, so and it works. We're gonna test it again, and then yeah, finish it up. He's doing one more final touch, and then we're gonna drop it. All right, we just stopped and got food. The lights are all like done. We tested them here as well, and they still work. So we did something right. There's a tunnel right here, a really short one, but we're gonna go hit it, make some cracklies. You trying to pull next to us, bro?
You wanna go to that Applebee's? Holy cow.
Sound clip. Poppy. Scrapapapa.
That's like, that is like seriously the biggest tunnel, and like maybe tied with like if you go down Calhoun, the railroad tracks, but that's
Oh yeah.
but that's pretty short though. I don't know where am I going.
Straight and then up left. Up here.
I think.
Play with me.
What was their facial reaction?
I think they were filming too. Buddy boy didn't want to play.